This is the attempt. I just wanted to get a video of this horrible level song, me roasting Pudge and Hydra. Pudge is the gamer girl from the first Seizure episode. She had downloaded the game and $2 well spent because she couldn't even beat the first level. Stereo Madness got at 94%. Don't get me started on Hydra, who has like far more hours, like in the hundreds. I don't even have 100 in this game, and he doesn't beat as many levels as I do. I guess I'm just superior. 'Cause I'm a man. Hydra is also, but he's younger. And there we go. That's easy. Hydra's never gonna beat this. Pudge doesn't even have the game anymore because she's a girl. I mean, because she's bad. I'm not getting those coins. Here's some dubstep. I'm done. Wait, actually, never mind. I'll show you how many attempts I actually took. Nice music though. Oh, only 99 apparently. But that's a lot of jumps. Yeah.